So इधर रखो
Password बस सेट करें और हम इस स्टूडेंट के माध्यमातून प्रोजेक्ट स्टेज एक्टिविटी देने के फरमाइश है।
निर्मल स्टेट फोटो दो स्टेट इस में फिलहाल तो ये रखूंगा
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and distinguished speakers, respected faculty members and dear students, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all. I am Mohammad Hadid from 2 Electronics, your host for this conference.
And I am Kainat Azam Ahmad from 2-1 Batch Electronics, your co-host for this conference.
It is a great pleasure to welcome you all to the second international conference on emerging technologies in field of electronics, computing and communication, ISTEC 2025. This time, this conference is a joint collaboration between Department of Electronic Engineering and Department of Electrical Engineering.
We are truly honored to host this prestigious event that brings together a dynamic community of researchers, experts, innovators, and academicians in the ever-evolving fields of engineering and technology. This conference is more than just a gathering. It's a platform to exchange ideas, collaborate, and shape the future of innovation across electronics, computing, information technology, and communication.
It is our great privilege to introduce the distinguished guests and esteemed mentors whose presence greatly elevates this event. We request our conference lead and special guest to please join us on stage. Professor Dr. Taha Hussain Ali, Patron-in-Chief and Vice Chancellor, Mehran University. Professor Dr. Anil Kumar, Patron and Pro Vice Chancellor. Professor Dr. Ashwaq Ahmed Hashmani, Member Conference Technical Program and Review Committee and Dean of Peace. Professor Dr. Wajia Shah, Conference Chair and Chairperson, Electronic Engineering Department. Professor Dr. Asif Ali Shah, Conference Chair and Chairman, Electrical Engineering Department. Dr. Mahesh Kumar, Conference Secretary. Dr. Kekashna Asma, Publishing Chair. Before we proceed, let us begin.
Thank you. We have currently 9 sessions belonging to 9 different fields of engineering. This time, cybersecurity has also been added as a separate session. 9 honorable and prominent keynote speakers will deliver their talk on high-tech research topics. 5 are international speakers and 4 are national speakers, and they will join us online and in person. Thank you so much. Either it's online or in person, we all are here together, and the connection is what matters the most. The second ISTEC conference is a 3-day conference and will take place in hybrid mode with 3 parallel sessions every day. 14 authors are joining us in person. I congratulate all the authors who have made it to this point. I welcome the authors who are here with us in person. Thank you for being here with us, and best of luck for your presentation session. Thank you so much everyone for listening me. Special thanks to whole electronics and electrical department faculty members who are involved in different committees, all the core committee members and our student volunteers. Hope you all will learn, grow and enjoy this second ISTEC 2025. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It's very inspiring to see researchers and academics around the globe presenting their work at this platform. We now welcome Dr. Mahesh Kumar, Conference Secretary, to share his thoughts and reflection as a part of ISTEC 2025.
The Vice Chancellor, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Deans, faculty, speakers, session chairs, authors, reviewers, and participants. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. It is an honor and a privilege for me as the conference secretary, along with Dr. Azam Rafiq, to welcome you all for the International Conference on Emerging Technologies on Electronics, Computing, and Communication, ISTEC 2025. As Dr. Kayakishan has already shared a brief overview of the conference and its vision. On behalf of Electrical Department, I would like to take a moment to sincerely thank Professor Dr. Vajia Shah, Chairperson Department of Electronics Engineering, for providing the opportunity and collaboration for this joint conference. This collaboration has undoubtedly enhanced the scope and reach of this conference, bringing in more distinguished speakers and delegates and elevating the events to a higher level of excellence. We are truly thankful, ma'am. Organizing a conference of this scale, especially with its international scope, is no small feat. It has taken months of collaboration, coordination, and unwavering commitment to academic excellence. From the call for papers to peer reviews, from the curating technical sessions to managing logistics, every step was a team effort. As said, this year ISTEC received around 403 papers. After rigorous process, we selected 107 high-quality papers, which will be presented in the next 9 technical sessions. So these topics are ranging from communication system and IoT, AI, machine learning and cybersecurity, automation, control and robotics, health, disease and medical sciences, computer science, photovoltaic, electrical vehicles, batteries, renewable energy integration, microgrid, and smart grids. We are truly excited about the cutting edge research being presented in this conference. In addition to the paper presentation, we are proud to host 9 keynote talks from leading experts and from academia and industry on pressing global tech challenges, and luckily out of 3 representing electrical power engineering. Integration of renewable energy integration with man-made opportunities and challenges by Dr. Raja Masood Tariq from Energy University, nuclear power as a dependable source for clean energy for future by Dr. Abdurrahman Abbasi from Karachi, revolutionizing electrical mobility infrastructure through wireless charging system by Dr. Kafil from Swinburne University, Australia. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my deepest gratitude to our respected Vice Chancellor, Patron and Chief of this conference, whose support and vision continue to drive innovation at Mehran University. A heartfelt thank you to Professor Dr. Syed Asif Ali Shah, Professor Dr. Vajia Shah for considering me for this role. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mahesh Kumar. We would also like to express our sincere gratitude to our technical co-sponsor, IEEE Karachi section, for their support. A special thanks as well to Rusted Technologies for co-sponsoring this event.
We now invite our very own respected Professor Dr. Taha Hussain Ali, Patron and Chief of ISTEC 2025 and worthy Vice Chancellor of Mehran University, to deliver his address.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरे से पहले काफी लंबी लिस्ट थी, तो आई वाज रिलैक्स कि मेरा नंबर जरा बाद में आएगा, बट अब तो किसी चीज पे एतबार भी नहीं रहा। डॉक्टर वजिया शाह, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिपार्टमेंट, डॉक्टर आसिफ अली शाह साहब, चेयरमैन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, Dr. Anid, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Nashwat Hashwan Saab, the Dean of Fees, Dr. Mahesh, Dr. Azam, Dr. Kekishan, Dr. Zegam, doctors and doctors, too many doctors, and mashallah, the researchers, participants, keynote speakers. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Indeed, it is a pleasure to see this second international conference, Emerging Technologies in Electronics, Computing and Communication, jointly and collaboratively organized by Department of Electronics Engineering and Electrical Engineering. In bracket, I would say a family matter. So it's really good. What the Kakisha, Dr. Kakisha has given a speech and she narrated the way the different papers. Good to see the high number of publications have been has been coming in this conference, and the submission rate is surprisingly 27%, which acceptance rate. So this means that a very high rate of peer review have been adopted, and the papers have been selected at a very niche and a very high level of after peer reviewing. So that gives a cutting edge to this conference, that whatever the presentations and the papers would be read in these 2 days would definitely be bringing up some good knowledge sharing in terms of emerging technologies in electronics, computing, and the communications. And the conferences are always, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, the conferences are always for this purpose, where you can share, you can see, and you can come up that what the latest cutting edge technologies, the knowledge in your relevant fields are going on across the world. And conference is the best source of knowing that. So I really appreciate the efforts, because sitting in here for inauguration, and tomorrow is going to be the conclusion, sitting here for inauguration and for concluding is just merely a show. But for holding up such a conference, it needs a lot of joint efforts. A team is to be involved, and I really appreciate and congratulate the whole team of electronics and the electrical department for organizing this IC Tech 2025, because I understand the efforts have been taken, and that it was narrated that the round started in 2024 September. So it took about 8, 9 months to come up with such organizing of this perfect conference. So all the participants, I wish the best of luck and a good conference in terms of understanding the new topics, the cutting edge research, and of course a good understanding with the participants is also very important. So have fun, take your time for this, and then try to understand that where our future research policies should go on. And I hope that at the end of this conference, whatever the recommendations is given can be, may not be implemented 100%, but at least it should be giving a way forward for the future. So once again, I appreciate the efforts taken by the whole team, with Dr. Wajia and Dr. Asif and the respective deans and the faculty, of course, for sitting here. And I wish all the best for this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for inspiring words. Has been neared the end of this inaugural ceremony. We now invite Professor Dr. Syed Asif Ali Shah, Conference Chair and Chairman of Electrical Engineering Department, to share his concluding remarks and vote of thanks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Vice Chancellor and Veteran-in-Chief of ISTEC 2025, Dr. Tao Senari, Honorable Pro-Vice Chancellor of this main campus, Dr. Anil Kumar, and the veteran of this ISTEC, the other dignitaries, the deans, the chairmen, the chairpersons, my dear students, Assalamu alaikum, and very good morning. I'm feeling honored and feeling proud to be standing in front of you to pay my vote of thanks to everyone who participated and who contributed, who encouraged us to make this conference a successful event. So first of all, like always, I pay my regards. I am thankful to Almighty Allah, Subhanahu wa Taala, for blessing this event and making this a successful event, which is efforted from so many months. To witness and to grace this event, I am thankful to my Vice Chancellor of Mehran, the worthy Pro Vice Chancellors, the deans and the chairmen who make us courage, who give us the confidence and provide that support which is required to make this conference successful. I am thankful to you, sir. I am also thankful to those who participate and contributed the papers, the quality papers. You already have seen those from the presentations and from the speeches that what is the success ratio, what is the acceptance ratio of this conference, which is also the evidence that what is the quality of this conference. I am thankful to those who contributed and participated in this particular aspect. I am also thankful to the students of electrical and electronics and other technologies who come here to witness this event, and they also participated and contributed their papers. I'm also thankful to those sponsors of this event, particularly IEEE Karachi section. Sir, thank you very much, sir. And the Rostec, who is sponsored for the financial release of those particular aspects in which we make the publishing of the certificate, the shields, and other things. I'm also thankful to the industry people, particularly Dr. Rafiq Memon Saab from the PTCL and Dr. Usman Memon Saab, who is from the NTPC and then Balochistan Chief Engineer, who always are helping us to encourage our students for their internships for other purposes. I'm thankful to you, sir. And I would like to very much thankful to the organizing committee and the student, the technical committees. Without their support, without their work, this is not possible to make this conference successful. I'm very much thankful to those committees. I'm also thankful to the conference secretaries, particularly Dr. Mahesh, Dr. Azam. So their untired efforts, their vibrant management to make this particular conference successful, which is evident from today from the morning session. I'm thankful, again, I'm very much thankful to everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for such nice words. Now we would like you to kindly stay with us for shield distribution ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now request Professor Dr. Syed Asif Ali Shah to please come forward and present the shield of appreciation to our worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Taha Hussain Ali. We also request Professor Dr. Syed Asif Ali Shah to present the sheet of appreciation to Professor Dr. Anil Kumar, the Pro Vice Chancellor, Mehran University. We also request Professor Dr. Syed Asif Ali Shah to present the sheet of appreciation to Professor Dr. Ishfaq Ahmed Hashmani, the Dean, Peace, Mehran University. Sir, we request you to please stay with us for the distribution of souvenirs and shields amongst our esteemed guests. So, we request Engineer Tafair Madrasi to please come up on stage and receive his Lifetime Achievement Award from our worthy Vice Chancellor. And in the month of April, Engineer Tafair Madrasi, our beloved teacher, most senior and dedicated family member, faculty members have taken this time. We take this grand opportunity to present lifetime achievement award in honor of his services to Mehran University and specifically to Department of Electronics. Now we request Professor Dr. Vijaya Shah to please receive the Shield of Appreciation from our worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Taha Hussain. Now we request Professor Dr. Syed Asif Ali Shah to please receive his Shield of Appreciation from our worthy Vice Chancellor.
Since Dr. Azam Rafiq Mehman, our esteemed conference secretary, is unable to join us today, I would respectfully request his brother, Dr. Afaq Rafiq Ahmad Mehman, to kindly come up stage and receive the Shield of Appreciation on his behalf. Dr. Mahesh Kumar, Conference Secretary, to please come and receive the Shield of Appreciation. Dr. Kehkashan Asma, Publishing Chair, to receive Shield of Appreciation. Dr. Zegam Abbas Shah, please come up stage, and Crystal Session Chair, please come up stage and receive Shield. Engineer Kamran Kazi, Event Management Chair, please come up stage. Engineer Shoaib Khaskali, Protocol Chair, to please come up stage and receive Shield of Appreciation.
इलेक्ट्रिकल वाले जरा खड़े हो जाओ थोड़ा कितने इलेक्ट्रिकल वाले बैठे रहिए बाकी सब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है लग रहा है तालियों से
Now we request Dr. Shahid Sheikh, Conference Coordinator and representative of IEEE Karachi section, to please come up on stage and receive the Shield of Appreciation. From Rastec Technologies, we request resource person Mr. Mahesh Kumar to please come up on stage and receive the Shield of Appreciation. Now we request Engineer Usman Mehman, Chief Engineer NTDC, to please come up on stage and receive the souvenir. Now we request Mr. Naman Akram, Director UPhone, to please come up on stage and receive the souvenir. Now we request Mr. Rafiq Ahmed Mehman, Director BTCL, please come up and receive the souvenir. Now we request Mr. Syed Muhammad Ali Hashmi, Manager Sales and Marketing, HTC Steel, to please come up on stage and receive the Shield of Appreciation.
Thank you to all our honored guests for gracing this event. The first technical talk of the conference will commence at 12 today at AV Hall, IIT building. Our first speaker is Dr. Adil Mustafa from University of Bolton, UK. The conference session will continue for 3 days and conclude on Friday, 25th April. All students are requested to please be seated, and now it's time for a well-deserved tea break. We request all dignitaries to please come forward for group photo before we move towards breakfast. Then authors join us alongside for refreshment.
हाँ सर मथा कटंदा जी जी मैडम कहाँ होता है यार
हम सामान लैपटॉप करना लगा